Hi, Elle Harrison here from Elle Harrison Design, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a Pinterest board for your visual branding package. So that's primarily for your logo and your color palette. The reason why I highly recommend doing a Pinterest board is because sometimes it can be hard to convey exactly what color it is that you're looking for, or the style and layout of the logo that you're looking for. So by having a look through at other people's designs for inspiration, it gives me a much clearer idea of what it is that you want. As an example, letting me know that you like the color green or that you like the color blue, there is a huge variance in what that could look like. It could be a bright sky blue, or it could be a deep ocean blue. So let's try and narrow down what it is that you're looking for and what you're drawn to as well. I do have clients sometimes think that they want a certain color palette, but once they see it, they actually realize that that's not what they're looking for, and end up with something completely different. So once you've created your Pinterest account, yours might look a little bit different to mine. Mine's a business profile, so just keep that in mind. But what we're going to do is go to the search bar, and first I'll get you to pin all of the color palettes that you like the look of, and then I'll get you to do the logos. The reason why is because sometimes if you're doing color palette and then a logo that you like and then a color palette you like, I don't know whether the logo that you've done is because you like the look of the logo or because you like the colors that are behind it. So that's why I say just do all color palettes and then all logos, or vice versa, as long as they're kind of separated. So it's all about the keywords that you're going to be putting into the description of pins that you're looking for. As you can see here are some of my recent searches that I've done. So if you know that you want green, then you do green. If you want vibrant or a serene or calming, so I'll first say green. And as you scroll through and find pins that you like, say if you were to like this one here, you can create a new board for me and just call it mood board, your name and your business name, mood board, and then that's the one that, because you'll be sharing it with me. So say if we said save for this one, from this pin here it will also show you more variations of similar pins that you've got. So same sort of thing, just go through and keep pinning. If you can do at least 10 to 15 pins, it will give me a really good idea of what it is that you're looking for overall. So yeah, just keep pinning all the way through. Next we'll do the logo design. So start with logo design ideas, and then you can also go with something like nutritionist, if I can spell, nutritionist logo, or whatever it is that your profession is. And same sort of thing, don't worry so much about the colors that are behind it, more about the actual logos. So keeping in mind that if I'm doing your logo for you, it will be a wordmark logo like this is a wordmark logo, and if my graphic designer is doing it for you, then it will be something more like this with a graphic in it, or something more detailed with a graphic like this one, or this one here, that sort of thing. So it depends which package you've signed on for as to what we create. This is more of a logo, a wordmark logo. But yeah, different shapes as well. So you've got the oval, and then you've got the landscape versions. Just go through and pin whatever it is that you're looking for, that you like the look of. You can also look at different styles of fonts in here as well. So we've got this kind of serif, half serif, half script font that's popular at the moment, or this one here is called a sans serif in the word nutritionist, and then a script font underneath, and then a serif font up here. So as you go through, you'll probably find that there is a commonality to what you're pinning and what you like the look of. Same sort of thing though, just keep pinning 10 to 15 pins, and that will give me a really good idea of what it is that you're looking for. You could also do modern logo design or minimalist. So yeah, all those sorts of things. Minimalist is usually quite bland in the background, but as I said, it'll be combined with your colour palette that we put together as well. So get started on that, and then once you're ready to share your board, if you come back to your profile and say saved, let's go to this one here, and you're going to come here and click this part here, and you can either ask me to collaborate with it. Easiest way actually is probably just sharing this link. So go to the share button, get this link and pop it in on the form that I'm getting you to fill out anyway. That way I know it's there. So if you have any questions about this process, please sing out. The more time you put into this and the more thought you put into it, the closer we will be to that bullseye when we do the first draft of your logo. And I will see you in the next one.